Hi, I'm Brent. This is Swanson's Vacuum on North 2nd Street in McChesney Park. Come on in and we'll show you the new showroom and some of the products we have. So the new showroom area is this section. We just opened this up this month in October. Mila takes up a big corner of this with all their supplies, all their different styles of product line. This corner over here is Central Vacuum, Central Vac supplies, toolkits for Central Vacuums, accessories. This whole section here is commercial vacuums. Everything from backpacks to 28-inch wide vacuums for doing hallways. Big extraction equipment for commercial professional shampooings. All the flooring in here is brand new 2020 flooring. So we've got wood plank flooring, we've got vinyl flooring, we've got 4 different types of carpeting for demonstration purposes. This carpet over here in the commercial is actually Embassy Suites carpet. So it's the same stuff you're gonna find in commercial buildings and hotels. The normal household vacuums are primarily over here. We've got a lot of closeout vacuums that have just been reduced. They're one of a kind. They are all new machines, but they're just priced to go. That's something you should check on a weekly basis because we constantly clean our inventory. These are Simplicity and Riccar lightweight vacuums, 9-pounders. We have the complete Auric line of vacuums. They're lightweights, they're scrubbers, they're portable canisters. Sanitaire is a professional line of machine, great for heavy duty cleaning. The Riccar R25s, great onboard upright vacuum cleaner, lays real low. The Riccar canisters, SIBO, one of the best filtration vacuums on the market. All the Dyson uprights as well as their stick vacuums. A lot of this pod here is Simplicity and Riccar cordless vacuums, stick vacuums for hard floor only. Bagless vacuums in this pod starting at $129, great buys in there. This section of the store, we have Austin air cleaners in different sizes, as well as Auric's electronic air cleaner. Carpet shampooers, both that we sell for residential use, and then our commercial rental machine. Bissell's Crosswave, and Hoover's Floor Mate, which are hard floor cleaners. Telescoping commercial lamb's wool. You can clean up to about 30 feet in reach with those cleaners. The wall is completely full of filters for bagless vacuums. So basically, if you have a bagless vacuum, we probably have the filter in stock for you. All of our bags, 80% alcohol hand sanitizers. Attachments for basically anything. If you need a hard floor tool for your vacuum, we have 6 different styles of hard floor tools in stock. All the attachments, replacement accessories, chemicals. We can take wine out, coffee out, dog pee out, whatever you've got on your carpet, we can take it out. So some of the highlights of Swanson's. We have 1-day repair service, free estimates on repairs. We guarantee our price against anyone, including Amazon. I know nobody believes that. Try us. We have well over 20,000 parts in stock. We have a half a block long warehouse in Rockford. So if we don't have it at the store today, we'll have it the next day at the store for your pickup. We obviously have the largest selection of vacuum and vacuum supplies in Northern Illinois. This year, 2020, is our 75th year. It's my 37th year. All of our staff is very, very fluent in both sales and service. So you are going to get the help you need. With our showroom expansion, we have virtually every type of floor you could have in your house. So stop in and see us at 7507 North 2nd Street, Swanson's Vacuum.